Hey guys, and welcome back to our channel 1-2 Step. In this tutorial, we're gonna look at how to add nicknames to your friend on Steam. Now let us begin. At the top left, right next to you, you will see a button like this called as Friends. Click on it, and from here what you guys need to do is simply click on this button called as View Friend List. Click on it, and this thing will open up. From here, let's say I want to add a nickname to this friend right here, so I'm simply gonna right click on them. And as such, when you do, this thing will open up right from there. From here, simply scroll down and hover over this Manage button. Once you do that, you can see something called as Add Nickname. But in my case, as I have already added a nickname to my friend, there is a button like this that says Change Nickname. Simply click on it, and as such, just add or change the nickname of your choice. As you can see, I have changed it. Now all I'm gonna do is hit on Confirm. That is it guys, that's how you add a nickname to your friend on Steam. Hope you guys found this video informative, and for more content like this, do remember to hit like, share and subscribe. Your support fuels us. Until next time, thank you.